Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi! My name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. For today's video, we are unboxing and taking a look at the Wonder of the Mother, a deck of 54 cards created to honor, inspire, and empower the mother in us all. This deck is created by Field and Phillips from Wise Women Inc., who is the independent publisher, I should say. And huge shout out to them for sending this deck our way, and other decks, duplicates, to where I'm packaging them up and making this a giveaway. So stay tuned to the end of this video to get all the details on how to enter this giveaway. All right, let's get into it. It retails for $22.50, and I will link in the description box below where you can legitimately purchase this should you want to. Welcome to the Wonder of the Mother, a deck of 54 inspirational cards created to empower, honor, and celebrate the mother in us all. Mothering is one of the most rewarding, universal connection we will have in our lifetime. Wonder of the Mother contains beautiful images and insightful messages reminding us on a daily basis of this unique and magical experience. All right, let's open it up. Ooh, all right. I really do love the Wisdom of the Crone Oracle, so I'm excited about this one. May the wisdom, strength, and joy of all the mothers through all of the ages come to you. With deep gratitude, we honor the beautiful women who grace these cards. Okay. Love it. The Mother's Daily Message. Hold the Wonder of the Mother cards in your hand. Now focus on your question or be open to receiving a message for the day. Shuffle and spread the cards before you and choose a card. Sit quietly for a moment as the message reveals, inspires, or moves you toward an answer. A deeper perspective. So we have 3 cards spread there. Awesome. Okay. Oh, so awesome. It's similar to the Wisdom of the Crone, where we have an image on the front and the information of the card on the back. All right, so it is a gloss, as you can see the ring light there. Let's take a look at the cardstock. A nice cardstock. It's thicker than, let's say, a Llewellyn deck. Snaps back just fine. I'm excited to see how it shuffles. Okay. Cute. Aww. His smile's so big. Oh. Sweet. I imagine it would be very hard to find balance as a mom, especially of a mom too. Oh. Look at the little one. And you can see all the different little ones in the back. Oh. Sweet. Looks like they're getting a little scolding there. Cute. Oh, that's very relatable, isn't it? I love the inclusion of just like, it seems like snapshots of like their life. Like it's not filtered or, you know, Instagram worthy. I like that. It's very real feeling. Always important to have a community. Oh, sweet. These look like people you know. Your neighbors, family, friends. I love that. Very relatable. Sweet. I'm loving the keywords. I feel like this could be used for anybody, whether you have children or not. I consider myself a mom. I have like I have animals and a bunch of plants. So I can see myself using this as well. I think this would be great for inner child work as well. I think this is a deck anybody can use. Her history, your history. Oh my goodness. Powerful deck. Love that. Sweet. I love a deck that you can look at and just be like, okay, that looks like somebody I know. Or, you know, I feel like this could be my best friend. Or, you know, like you can see people in the, I'm going to say people who are in the card. You can see friends and family. Very relatable deck. I love that. You get that a lot too. I know I do. When my mom and I are out and about for the longest time, oh my gosh, you guys look like sisters. You guys look like each other. Like you look just like your mom. Like totally get that with the mirror. That's so funny. Mothers and sons. Oh, sweet. Mothers and daughters. Oh, being in the present. Yeah. Love that. Patience. Things that you wish you have for 100, Alex. Like, completely understand the need for patience. Oh my gosh. Sweet. I'm excited to read what's on the back. Oh, what a pretty picture. This does feel like a lot of love went into it. Like it feels like a very big passion project. You don't see a lot of this style on the mass produce market. So it's really cool to see something like this. I will say my one critique is the font. I feel like it's a little hard to read on top of the image. Maybe if there was like a background to it on top of the photo, or a easier to read font. I feel like some of the fonts, yeah, they like change up a little bit. It's not a deal breaker for me. It's just one of the things that I'm seeing that if I had to, you know, give my opinion, that's what I would say. Maybe switch it up just a little bit so that's a little bit easier. But for me as well, my eyesight is just poor. So let me know what you guys think. I love that they added a foster mom. You don't see that. That's so cool. Oh my gosh. sweet. You gotta appreciate a mom who will get down on their kids' level and just want to play and have imaginations with their kids. I love that. Oh wow, the single father. Wasn't expecting that in this deck. The single mother. Oh, so cute. Oh, look at the babies. Oh, sweet. I like the font when it's on something white like that, that it makes it easier to read. Oh, I love that. Oh, we got a belly. Oh my goodness. So cute. Awesome. All right, so let's go ahead and shuffle. I know some of you might not like this because they switch from landscape to portrait. It's not a deal breaker for me. I can kind of roll with it. I like the different types of images on there, so it doesn't matter to me, but I'm pointing it out. Shuffles just fine. Snaps back great. Shuffles fine this way too. All right, let's get a card, please. Can I get a card to read? All right, so we are going to read for Chaos. I think this has to be one of my favorite cards out of the whole deck because I relate very hard to this card. All right, so the back says, has it been a really, insert cuss word here, day? Did the 2-year-old flush the newborn's cloth diaper down the toilet? Did the $65 an hour plumber have to come? Did your 3-year-old throw up hot dogs all over the minivan? Did the 2nd grade teacher phone letting you know that your child shared some things he found in your nightstand, calling them really cool water balloons? Oh my goodness. Did your preteen borrow your best lipstick and not only wear it to school, but leave it in her pocket to be washed and dried with a load of whites? Did your teenage son and his friends decide to shave the family sheepdog? Well, relax, go to bed early. Tomorrow is another day. That's not what she wanted to hear, is it? Oh my goodness. Well, let's read one more. Let's read for Patience. Get a real good feel of this deck here. Patience trusts in right timing. Patience doesn't question what is. Patience embraces waiting without negativity. Patience has the capacity for bearing hardship without complaint. With patience, we can conquer life's challenges. All good things do come to those who wait. I love that. So this deck is incredibly cheeky, cute, fun. I think it is a fantastic gift. And I said that about the wisdom of the crone as well. I think it's perfect for, anybody who considers themselves a mom or, nurturing a mother. The mother in us all is what it's talking about. I think this is great for those who don't really know where to start with divination or want a more nurturing deck, something to kind of get them introduced to divination. This would be fantastic. I think it's just a very sweet, I look at this more of as a gift because I myself don't consider myself like the target demographic for it. However, it'll be very good for me to use with certain clients. It'll be fantastic to just get a check-in a daily card pull with this deck would be fantastic. I think it's really great. $22.50, not a bad price for 54 cards. There's only a few things I would critique about it, and that would be the font, with it being a little bit more consistent, and then also a little bit easier to read. But other than that, I don't have a huge issue with this deck at all. I think it's highly creative. I think it's very nurturing, very sweet and gentle. And I think anybody who needs a gift for a mother figure in their life, this would be fantastic for that. So let's get to the giveaway with this. So this is going to be based in the US for this time, just simply because everything is chaotic. So we're going to limit this to the US, but you will receive both of these decks. All you need to do in order to enter is obviously be from the United States. Comment down below the favorite flower emoji of yours in the comment section, and I will know that you want to be entered to the giveaway. So like I said, be from the US, comment down below your favorite flower emoji, and that's it. And I will get back to you 1st of June. So I will do the pull for it the 1st of June. So it'll run through the end of this month, and then I will make an announcement on the community tab of who won on June 1st. So with that being said, let me know your thoughts about this deck down in the comment section below. I would love to hear what you have to say. Do you have the same opinions as I do? What do you think? And do you think your mom would like a deck like this, or your grandma? Let me know all your thoughts down there. And thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you to Wise Women Inc. for sending this deck our way. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you will never miss an upload from me. Thank you so much again, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.